Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to make this 3D custom texture effect in Photoshop. It's going to be very easy. So you go to File, take New, and you take Print, A4 Landscape 300 pixels, create a new document. Using your text tool, just simply type, just do it, and that's it in front of you. You have it there, position it right straight. You go to the edge of your text layer to launch the layer style panel. You have drop shadow. Okay, so we're going to input the values. Opacity 60, angle is 90, and we're going to input a distance of 28, and we're going to give a spread of 26, and we're going to give a size of 4, and then you're going to go to the noise and give it a noise of 25, and you have that amazing effect. You can see it, very nice. And then we're going to add a stroke, so you can see, double click at the edge there to launch the layer style again and put a stroke size 1, color, put your custom color, as is orange, and you have it. That's it, ready to go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So see you guys in the next one, which is tomorrow. Peace.